Good morning. We're at the MV4 and MV5 gardens. Warzone and the local villagers work together to create gardens so that we restore livelihood in areas where they have been moved from their land, where the mining operations are happening. Right now, we're at the end of the dry season. They've been growing vegetables from about December to right now, and they will harvest them. You can see from the gardens around us that a lot of it has been harvested, that the villages and the beneficiaries can sell to others or to sell to Warzone for us to use in our kitchens as well. We are outside the Women's Association at MV4 Village. The women work together to find different entrepreneurial ideas to help bring money to themselves, their families, and the villages. So some of the things that they do inside this area is they grind the corn for maize. They have weaving training. With the weaving that they do in the textiles, they have shop fronts in which to sell their goods and services. The women are finding their own ways of supporting their families with some of Warzone's help.
Voilà. Après les activités de métier à tisser et de couture, nous avons aussi certaines d'autres femmes, c'est-à-dire d'autres groupes qui entreprennent dans les activités de production des épices. Par exemple, ça c'est des épices, c'est du gingembre à la menthe, donc c'est pour épicer les thés ou bien des plats. Et puis également, il y a piment. À l'intérieur, on a utilisé, c'est le piment naturel. Donc ce sont des produits qui viennent des jardins, mis en œuvre par le projet Bomboré pour soutenir les femmes. Et dans l'écoulement, Warzone intervient également pour acheter, pour encourager ces femmes à utiliser aussi pour la consommation à l'intérieur du camp.
There are over 30 beneficiaries throughout the Warzone gold mine and villages that are taking part of the goat breeding program. So Madame here started off with 4 goats and now has 10 and 2 cows. I am very impressed that in only 2 years, the breeding program is going well.